Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma Green School, Jai Swaminarayan. Today class 8th. Yes, I had started with the geography chapter 6, right? And I had finished with this lesson. Okay, we will go to its exercise, that is page number 70. Okay, see, go to page number 67 of your text, geography text. I had already finished its explanation. Okay, मैं इसके कुछ questions, MCQs I will share with you. That is study. That is wait. Oh, page number 63. Page number 63 of your text. 63 of your text. That is activity. Study figure 6.5 and find out the world's total population, which is continent only 5%, 13, 1 and 12. See 6.5 one figure you can see. World population by continents. So only 5% is North America. आप लिख सकते हो in the text itself. Only 5% is North America. Only 13% it is Africa. Only 1% it is Oceania. Only 12% it is Europe. Okay. Next is exercise on page number 70. Why are people considered as resource? मैंने आपको बताया था people human resource बहुत बड़ा resource है. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का डेवलपमेंट होना यानी कंट्री का ऑटोमेटिकली प्रोग्रेस होना इन एवरी फील्ड, इकोनॉमिकली, सोशली, आप कोई भी और ले लो. ओके. So why are people considered a resource? People are considered a resource of a nation. Nature's bounty are also exploited by the people only. Healthy, educated and motivated people develop resources as per their demand. I repeat, people are considered a resource of a nation. Nature's bounty are also exploited by the people only. Healthy, educated and motivated people develop resources as per their demand. Next, what are the causes for the uneven? What are the causes for the uneven distribution of population in the world? The causes and factors for the uneven distribution of population in the world are: first, it is geographical factors, and second, it is social and economic factors. Geographical factors: relief features like plains, plateaus, desert. Climate like extreme or moderate climate. Next, fertile soil with more agriculture, and last, minerals attracting industry and people. Then social and economic factors. Social facilities like housing, health and education. Economic facilities like employment generating industry. Okay, so the causes for the uneven distribution of population is geographical factors and social and economic factors. Then we go to next, the world population has grown very rapidly. Why? Due to the rapid increase in natural growth rate, eradication of many deadly dangerous disease, migration of the people from developing countries to developed nations. Next, discuss the role of any two factors influencing population change. The main factors that influence population change are the difference between the birth rate and the death rate. स्टूडेंट्स पहले टाइम में डेथ इतनी ज़्यादा होती थी कि पॉपुलेशन हमेशा स्टेबल रहता था, इंक्रीज नहीं होता था. लेकिन धीरे धीरे जैसा एरा बीतता गया, ड्यू टू द प्रोग्रेस इन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, ओके, बर्थ रेट भी बढ़ी हुई है और डेथ रेट भी बहुत कम हो गई. मतलब डेथ भी बच्चों की बहुत कम होने लग गई है, रेयर केस. बिकॉज साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ने इतनी तरक्की की है, सब चीज़ की अवेलेबिलिटी है आज मार्केट में. एवरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एवरी मेडिसिन, मेडिकल, हर किसी चीज़, इसलिए पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज होती जा रही है. The difference between the birth rate and the death rate, which is called natural growth rate, is the main cause of population change. Migration is also one of the main factors that brings about population change. Migration refers to the movement of people in and out of an area or country. What is meant by population composition? Population change means the structure of the population that gives a fair idea about age, sex, literacy level, income level, health conditions and occupation of the people. Next is, why are the population pyramids? What are population pyramids? How do they help in understanding about the population of a country? The population pyramids are the geographical method to show, 1. Total population into male and female, age groups from 0 to 14, 15 to 59 years and above, and workforce. Then dependent and productive population. The shape of the population pyramid help us to know about the people living in that particular country. The numbers of children below 15 years of age group are shown at the bottom and reflect the level of births. The size of the top shows the number of aged people above the age groups of 60 years and reflect the number of deaths. The population pyramid also shows that how many dependents and working force class are there in the country. Then take the correct answer. Which does the term population distribution refer to? Answer is C. The way in which people are spread across a given area. Next, which are 3 main factors that cause population change? It is answer B. Birth, death and migration. In 1999, the world population reached 6 billion. What is a population pyramid? Answer A. A graphical presentation of the age, sex composition of a population. Complete the sentence below using some of the following words. When people are attracted to an area, it becomes densely populated. Factors that influence this include favorable climate, good supplies of natural and fertile land. Discuss the characteristics of society with too many under 15s. Just omit this question. Activity है, you can do it. ये activity आप कर सकते हो. Okay students, so with this I had finished geography का मैंने पूरा revision finish कर दिया है. It's over from my side. Okay. I go to its MCQs from the interior of the text. The factors which influence population change are the factors that influence population change are birth rate, death rate, and migration. The country which does not have high growth of population is New Zealand. Does not have high rate of population. New Zealand. How much population lives on 30% of the land surface? It is 90%. Which of the countries has slow growth rate of population? UK, United Kingdom. The highest density of the population of the world is in South Central Asia. The Ministry of Human Resource Development was established by the Government of India in the year 1985. According to the population, what is India's rank in the world? It is second. तो सभी को पता है. What is the average population density of the world persons per square kilometer? It is 51. Human resources differ from one another in respect of age, education level, and sex. Most of the people actually prefer to live in this region. It is plains. Now, very short answer. Which hemisphere has more population? It is Northern Hemisphere. Name the country with slowing growth rate of population. It is United Kingdom. What are the people called who have come from other countries? Immigrants. What is emigration? Movement of people to other countries is called emigration. What do you mean by population explosion? A sudden and rapid increase in population is considered to be an population explosion. What do you understand by population distribution? The way in which people are spread across the earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. Then short answers hai. Each human is potential resource for society. Define. What is birth rate? What is death rate? Why is the population pyramid of Kenya broad at the base and narrow towards the top? Explain the population pyramid of Japan. Long answers may, there are two important long answers. One is describe the distribution of population in the world, and second it is what are the bad effects of population explosion on society, and how does population pyramid help in understanding the population of the country. The next is dash is the ultimate resource. Human resource is the ultimate resource. Then Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in India are two densely populated areas. Varanasi, Jerusalem and Vatican City are sub-examples of religious or cultural factors. In 1999, less than 30% later, the population doubled to dash billion. It is 6. True or false? Almost 3/4 of the world population live in two countries, namely Asia and Africa. It is true. deaths are usually measured using the death rate. It is true. Immigrants are people who arrive in a country. It is false. The age group 0 to 15 comes under the economically dependent group. It is true. Greenland has the lowest population density. It is true. We go to match the following. Migration, it is movement of people in and out of the area. Emigration, movement of people to other country. Life expectancy, number of years for which an average man expects to live. Climate, ठंडा नहीं, climate, it is geographical factor. And immigrants, it is people leaving the country. Okay, students, I will share few extra very short answers, long answers and MCQs with you today in your group. Okay, and please do read the lesson. And I hope कि बहुत लोगों ने subject management activity मुझे आपकी क्लास में नहीं भेजा है. Now no need to send. You will get 0 for that. Okay. And just read the lesson. Okay, so with this I had wind up my lesson. मैंने lesson finish कर दिया है. इसके exercise also extra questions I had shared with you, and I will send you few questions, extra questions apart from your exercise, text exercise. So please do and write in the CWSST book. Okay, you have to write in CWSST book. Okay. So with this, I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all.